my story. Do we have to talk about me? So my story. I owned a meal delivery service for close to a decade here in Los Angeles called Clean Food Delivered. I have over 20,000 hours of professional meal prep experience, and not just any meal prep experience, healthy meal prep experience. I've seen it pretty much all when it comes to food allergies, substitutions, and special requests. So I feel like what I'm bringing to the table is all of that experience so that I can impart it to you guys, because let's face it, meal delivery can get expensive. It doesn't matter what your budget is, just year after year, it can just be expensive. And one of the things that I wanted to do after shutting down my meal delivery service, even though people were like, you know what, you should sell your business, sell your recipes, and that didn't feel right to me, because I'd worked so hard to craft and help people with what I do. And so I didn't know exactly that I was going to do this. I just knew that I needed to impart it in such a way that people could really experience, like me standing next to them and like, let's make the food. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to be faster. I'm going to show you how to save money in the kitchen, or I mean at the grocery store. I'm going to show you how to watch your calories and how to also heal your relationship to food. That's something that was like one of my favorite compliments that a client had given me, and a friend. They just said I healed their relationship with food, because it does sometimes seem like food is the enemy and everyone's worried about what you can eat and is it organic, is it not organic, you know, and that can be frustrating. You know, you don't have time, maybe you didn't grow up in a household where anyone cooked, and even if they did, maybe it wasn't good. You know, I mean, there's that too. So I'm bringing everything from all of my experiences to help people, and I think that's really my story, is like, how can I help you enjoy and embrace your life and enjoy really good food and not be so worried about how many calories is it, and sort of attaching these negative emotions that we often tend to do with food, where if we eat something that everyone deems as healthy, we're like, oh, I was being good, or oh, I ate this other thing and now I'm bad. That's garbage. That's just garbage, and it's just unnecessary to leading a good, positive life that is in your bones and healthy and like makes you strong, and like you can do all the stuff that you're supposed to do and have a great life. So that's my story. I want you to have a great life, you guys, and I'm going to help you through food. And I just feel like all of my experience I can show you, because I'm going to be standing side by side you as we go through these videos, and I teach you how to make these recipes and encourage you to lead your best life. So I'm Marcia Whitfield, Healthy Chef, and this is Everything Dash Diet.